Alright guys, just like that. Just got these wheels and I already took them off. You can't tell me it does not look fire.
Strong like before or?
Stronger.
Stronger than before?
Yeah.
Damn, we're barely tuning, dude.
Alright guys, just like that. Just got these wheels and I already took them off. Current situation of the Q. I'm not gonna go meet up with the homie that's waiting for me actually already, so I ain't really got time to film. I gotta hurry up.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, just like that. About 10 minutes later, I'm back home. Sure, a lot of you guys guessed it. I said this in my previous video. That's funny, when I first got the car, when I first lowered it, this is the first set of wheels that I actually wanted to buy. Even though they're stocks, they're not stocks for this exact model. And I feel like these wheels look so freaking fire, bro. I don't know why, I've always loved these wheels. I'm gonna snap them on, probably add some spacers, depending how they look. If the wheel gap is not what I like, if it has too much of a wheel gap, I'll probably lower it more. Get some coilovers, because I love how Qs look slammed on these stock wheels. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to it. Gonna install these really quick. It's currently super hot. It's barely like 10 in the morning and it's super hot. All right guys, so this is a no-no. Got my helper right here. Gonna throw on these spacers. Luckily I have like, I don't know how many pairs of spacers. Gonna throw those on and that should make the fitment perfect. Damn, that fitment though. I'm just kidding, the car's not on the floor yet. Don't mind my dog barking at the jack. You guys wanna laugh? What's wrong with you? Bro, relax. Alright guys, time to put it down. Move out the way, please. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come here. Bro, this dog does not want to get out the way. Come on. Thank you. Alright guys. Please. Are you serious? Are you this interested in how the wheel setup looks? You want to stand right next to it? Can you please move? You want to die? Come on. All right, look. The reason this water bottle is here is because I could buy her all the toys in the world, but she'd rather play with the water bottle. What did I tell you? Anyways. All right. Bro, this dog is going to really piss me off. Go. Gotta hurry up. Yeah. I think it still has to settle because the other side looks way better fitment wise. But bro, for stocks, this looks fire. Damn, bro, this look, you can't tell me it does not look fire. The fitment expert. Damn, I literally hit it right. I hit it so perfect with these for what I did. So I ended up doing an inch spacer in the front and 15 in the back, 15 mil in the back. Damn, this looks so fire, bro. Out of all the setups, obviously besides the Nismos that are on the Z, those are like unbeatable. But besides that, like with the other Nismos, the other reps that I had and the last one that I had, this is definitely my favorite setup. Damn, whoever thought stocks looked so good, bro. Oh my god, it looks fire. Damn guys, I'm in love. Some of you guys might be like, bro, they're stock wheels. Yeah, they're stock wheels, but they look so fire. So fire. Now I just need to get that lip, diffuser. I'm gonna tint it probably next week. Fix the stereo and maybe tune it. I don't know. So I think I am gonna keep it for a little longer now. It's perfect daily. Now that I got the Z back, I don't need anything fast. It's a daily. I just need something nice and comfortable. And this is literally it.
4 to 6 days later.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's definitely not the video I thought I was going to be making today. Came to the shop and the homie Blown Turbo convinced me to tune the car today. I'm not fully done with the break-in mileage, but he said it should be good. I think it has like almost 400 miles to break in. He actually said that he told me 500, not 1,000, so he said it's close enough. And we're going to end up tuning it today. Pre-tuning it. Leave it on low boost. I still don't have the clutch or the fuel, so he said he was gonna put the last tune on it and just like refine it a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. If all goes well, we will hit some boost in a couple of minutes or hours.
20 minutes later.
Oil change is done, just adding the oil now. and we should be able to hit some boost. Alright guys, it's time. Super unexpected, but here we are. Let's stop to pump some E really quick. The boy's dry. After this, we should be doing some pulls. Hit it!
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
I don't have so much space.
Go ahead.
That's strong.
Feel strong?
Hell yeah, that one did.
That's what the timing up.
Holy shit.
A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Not a lot higher, just a little bit.
Guys, we're street tuning. Look where we ended up at. Where they did Fast and the Furious scene. No way, bro.
So what the hell was that all about? How I feel? Feels good?
Pretty strong, bro.
Strong like before or
Stronger.
stronger than before?
Yeah.
Damn, we're fucking barely tuning, dude.
Way stronger. Not way stronger than before?
All I did was turn up the timing a little bit.
Alright guys, just at the shop. Heading home now. So the car is not fully tuned. Obviously there was traffic. It was a little street tune. He advised me not to race and not to hit more than fourth, and also not hit more than 7200 RPMs because I'm already maxing out my my fuel. So it's probably making a little bit more than last time. It's on low boost, probably like 600 somewhere, but it feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really good. Just need to buy, like I said, the fuel still, which is injectors and fuel pump, clutch, mass airflow sensors, and then we'll be ready to go. But other than that, the car feels really good. Not gonna lie.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, it is now a few hours from the last clip you guys just saw. But yeah guys, I already went to the shop randomly. We were chilling for a little bit and the homie Blown Turbo was bugging me, bro. Let's do your oil change. Let's street tune it. I honestly didn't really even want to. He kept telling me until he finally convinced me. So I was like, why not? What's stopping me right now from wanting to feel boost? So we went on the street. We semi-street tuned it. Only second and third gear I wasn't able to hit fourth just because it was still a lot of traffic in Mexico. So for that reason, he told me to not race the car just because he doesn't know what the car's gonna do in fourth gear. So he recommends me to not even hit boost in fourth gear really. And also I guess my fuel is cutting out at like 7200 RPM. So that's another thing I need to kind of look out after. Try not to go past 7200 RPMs. But yeah, other than that guys, the car feels really good. It feels, I want to say, a little bit faster than the last tune I had stock block. But instead of everything being maxed out like it was when I was stock block, everything is literally turned down. Low boost and low timing. So yeah guys, the things that are holding me back right now from full sending it, like I said, are the clutch. I also need a flywheel actually. The fuel stuff, I think I'm gonna run 2 fuel pumps. I'm not too sure yet. Bigger injectors and then the mass airflow sensors. Other than that, the car should be ready for a lot of power. Oh yeah, what do you guys think about this one? I really like the wheel setup guys, I'm telling you guys. I hit it right on the dot with the spacers, the 15 mils in the back and the inch in the front. It looks super good even for being stocks. And the car drives freaking perfect too. Brand new Continentals. But yeah guys, that's been my life the past couple of days. Been super happy. The car looks so complete with the front lip now as well. The car, everything is just good. But with that being said, I wanted to thank you guys all for watching yet again another video of mine. If you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys will be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.